The most pervasive definition of the word free will is the freedom to take action, make decisions, and govern events that's in accordance and at the discretion of one's personal motivation. Matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that move and things that don't move.
Yeah, spiritual and temporal.
Explore areas like existentialism, epistemology, ontology, metaphysics, phenomenology. We're going to explore ideas like solipsism, intersubjectivity.
Yeah. So you have an accent.
One is areas that overlap, right? Physics meet music, that's where... So these are the areas
And frequency may be soft, but yet frequency is a higher pitch. What is a pitch?
In music, you have also sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.